Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, flex your flexibility with this over, under, behind the back stretch on the path of least resistance.
Try this. With your right hand, reach over your right shoulder to touch your spine. With your left hand, reach under the left side, up your spine, and try to clasp your hands behind your back. Now reverse it. Did you do it? Most of us struggle with this move due to reduced anterior deltoid tricep and lat elasticity. If your hands don't reach each other, try this. Take one leash and clip the hardware to one side of its own handle. Put one hand through the handle and throw the loop over your shoulder down your back. With your other hand, reach underneath to put your hand up through the bottom loop and allow the larger loop to tighten around your wrist. Now gently pull up with your top hand. You are stretching your anterior deltoid of your downward arm. Once that shoulder is stretched, then pull down to stretch the tricep and lat on your top arm. Then switch sides for balanced mobility. Check your equipment before every workout. Stretch gently, don't bounce or force, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Use your strap to bridge the gap with this over, under, behind the back stretch on the path of least resistance.